Welcome guys to a brand new Excel video. In this video, I'll talk about two new Excel functions that has been added into the Excel, that is VStack and Hstack. So what's the use for these two formulas? Basically, we use VStack for merging tables vertically. By means that we have two tables here. One is this one and one is this one. Table contains its code, product name, quantity and amount, and same goes for the other table. And for some reason we need these two tables merged here vertically. Then we can use the VStack. I'll show you. So equals to VStack, open bracket, and add is same, array 1, array 2, and the list goes on. So what's an array? Now basically array 1 basically means in table 1 we need the full thing, and in table 2 we also select the whole table. And if we close the bracket and press enter, then we'll see the table has been merged vertically. Now what's the use for Hstack? It is basically same, but it will merge the table horizontally. I'll show you. It is not that useful, but still maybe sometimes you need to use it. It is the same. Array 1 will be the full table here, and array 2 will be full table here. And if we close the bracket and press enter, then we'll see that both tables have been merged horizontally. Thank you. That's it for the video. If you like my content, please subscribe to my channel and like the content. Thank you. I'll end my video with a quote. Just do your best and leave to God all the rest. Thank you. Bye, guys.